Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss part 1 of the pair of words from CC's English paper of the year 2000. So let's start. Knead and knead. This knead means to work and press on a mass of dough or a similar substance with hands. यानी आटा या इसी तरह के किसी मादे को हाथों से दबाना या simply गोंदना. Its synonyms are massage, manipulate and squeeze. Example sentences: After adding the ingredients, the baker proceeded to knead the dough until it reached the perfect consistency. Need. This need means a requirement or necessity, a lack of something essential. यानी एक ज़रूरत या किसी ज़रूरी चीज़ की कमी. Its synonyms are requirement, necessity and obligation. Example sentences: I urgently need your assistance in completing this project by the end of the day. Queue and queue. This queue means a line or sequence of people or vehicles waiting their turn. यानी लोगों या गाड़ियों की एक लाइन या तरतीब जो अपनी बारी का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं या सिंपली कतार. Its synonyms are line, lineup, row and file. Example sentences: The customers formed a long queue outside the store on the day of the sale. Cue. This cue means a signal or prompt for an action, a hint or indication. यानी इशारा. Its synonyms are signal, prompt, hint and clue. Example sentences: The ringing of the bell served as a cue for the actors to enter the stage. Quarts and quarts. This quarts means a unit of liquid capacity equal to 1/4 of a gallon or 32 fluid ounces. यानी ये क्वार्ट जो है ये बेसिकली लिक्विड कैपेसिटी की इकाई है जो कि 1 गैलन के चौथाई या 32 सियाल औंस के बराबर माया की गुंजाइश की इकाई है. Its synonyms are 1/4 gallon. Example sentences: The recipe calls for a quart of milk to make the pudding. Quartz. This quartz means a hard mineral composed of silicon dioxide, often occurring in crystal form and widely used in making electronic devices and jewelry. यानी ये सिलिकॉन डाइऑक्साइड पर मुश्तमिल एक सख्त मादनियात जो अक्सर क्रिस्टल की शक्ल में पाया जाता है और बड़े पैमाने पर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आलात और जेवरात में इस्तेमाल होता है. Its synonyms are crystal and silicon dioxide या सिलिका भी इसको कहा जाता है. Example sentences: The countertop was made of quartz, giving the kitchen a sleek and durable surface. Choral and choral. This choral means relating to or performed by a choir or a group of singers. यानी किसी choir या गुलकारों के एक ग्रुप से मुतालिक या परफॉर्म करना. Its synonyms are choir, vocal and harmonized. Example sentences: The choral performance at the concert captivated the audience with its harmonious blend of voices. Coral. This coral means a hard substance found by the skeletons of marine polyps, often forming reefs in tropical seas. यानी इस कोरल का मतलब है एक सख्त मादा जो समंदरी पोलिप्स के कंकाल से बनता है या सिंपली मरजान. Its synonyms are reef, atoll and polyp. Example sentences: Snark killers marveled at the vibrant colors of the coral as they explored the underwater reef. Discrete and discrete. This discrete means separate, distinct or individually separate and distinct. यानी अलग अलग या इनफिरादी तौर पर या मुजर्रद. Its synonyms are separate, distinct, individual, isolated. Example sentences: In the experiment, data was collected at discrete time points to analyze changes over specific intervals. Discrete. This discrete means showing prudence, tact and careful behavior in order to avoid causing embarrassment or attracting attention. यानी शर्मिंदगी का बायस बनने या तवज्जो मबजूल कराने से बचने के लिए होशियारी, तदबीर और मोहतात रवैये का मुजाहरा करना या सिंपली समझदार। Its synonyms are tactful, cautious, circumspect, and judicious. Example sentences: he handled the sensitive information discreetly, ensuring that it did not lead to any unnecessary gossip. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.